Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by anchoring control in the breath because voice equals airflow. Practice diaphragmatic breathing for 2-3 minutes. Then record a short sample so you know baseline pitch, pace, and volume. Once done, use a focused 10-minute warm-up, lip trills, humming, and gentle scales to engage the vocal folds. Do these first actions to create repeatable conditions. Consistency trains your muscles and refines sensory feedback, which is why these immediate steps are essential for measurable progress. Now you focus on the complex middle, strengthening resonance and precision. Practice open throat resonance and forward placement to reduce strain while amplifying clarity. Use 5-7-5 pacing drills, 5 seconds inhale, 7 seconds control, 5 seconds release, to build breath economy and steady tempo. Add gradual volume steps, increasing by small increments while keeping articulation sharp. This conditions both power and finesse. Make sure to track progress with recordings so you can isolate what's improving and what still needs targeted work. Finish by transferring skills into real speaking. Run 10-minute practice sessions simulating presentations or conversations to link technique with context. Cool down with gentle humming and hydrate. Avoid whispering because it strains the folds. If you encounter hoarseness, rest voice for 48 hours and reduce intensity. This prevents injury and promotes recovery. If issues persist, seek a voice coach or medical evaluation. These final steps lock gains into everyday use and give you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.